A dental implant can be thought of as an artificial root to a tooth. It's implanted in bone, so the implant binds with the bone, and about 5 months after it's placed, we can go back in, uncover the implant, and then bolt in a fixture that we can attach a crown to, a bridge to, or even a denture to, depending on the situation we're working with. The thing that is probably the most important concept to understand about an implant is that the implant replaces a tooth and it creates a physiological pressure on the bone, just like a root of a tooth does. So it maintains bone height around the implant over time. When you remove a tooth and there's just a space over it, whether it's covered with a bridge or a denture, the bone continues to shrink over time. To be able to treat a site with an implant immediately and be able to maintain that bone height is probably one of the biggest benefits to having an implant.